What's up, YouTube? I'll give you guys a quick little demonstration of how you replace the seat on the CRF250L. As you can see, I'm running a Seat Concepts right now by the badge right there. And a little review of the seat. The easiest way to put it is any OEM seat on any bike is garbage. The Seat Concept seat is absolutely amazing. If you're looking for a seat that you can ride for 6, 7, 8 hours straight and you don't want your butt to be completely numb or sore. If you're a male and your family jewels go numb, happens to a lot of us guys, they may not say it, but it does, sitting on a factory OEM seat, these seats will completely eliminate that. So a brief description of mine, it's a Seat Concept seats, carbon fiber sides, gripper top. I've got the tall seat, so mine's the thickest one that they make. Absolutely amazing. You can ride it all day long on the street, you can ride it all day long in the dirt. Your butt never gets sore. It's phenomenal. We give you guys a brief little demonstration of how you actually remove the seat and put the seat back on, just in case if you don't know how to swap the seat. It's a simple, super simple task. It's literally one tool, one Allen key, and 2 of these bolts right here, one on each side. Let's get to it. Before you guys start, get yourself a nice tasty beverage. All right, so all you're gonna do is you're gonna take this bolt off right here. You guys have ever taken these off before, you'll know how every once in a while, man, these things can be a nightmare to realign. Bolt 1, out. Bolt 2, out. So you grab the back of the seat right here, put your hand on the front, you kind of lift up a little and you slide down. And by doing so, you release this little tab right here from this washer here, and the seat slides right off. And you can see mine's kind of dirty. Same process going back on. So you got this little tab here, you got this tab here. So what you do is you press down on the seat. You can kind of feel it with your finger when it goes in there. Take the back of the seat, push it forward, slide it down. Take your first bolt. All right, first bolt's in. Now we're on to our second bolt right here. Just slide it in. Sometimes it helps if you just make sure the bolt's in there straight and you just kind of thread it in. Should fall back, I don't know, a little bit, but sometimes it doesn't want to. Like I was saying, it's kind of hard to line them up. I like to just place it in there, make sure the bolt's going straight, thread it back like so. All right, that's it, guys. That's how you swap out your seat with any aftermarket seat that you're looking at getting. Again, I have a Seat Concepts. This is the Seat Concepts Tall. You can make a choice from whether you want the low cut, normal, or tall. The low cut is really mainly just for short riders. Lowers your seat height down some, but it doesn't make the seat any more comfortable. If anything, it's more uncomfortable than the factory seat. So if you're a short rider and you don't like the comfort of the OEM seat, if it hurts your butt too much, and you're opting for the Seat Concepts low cut because you want a more comfortable seat with a lower ride height, it's not going to benefit you whatsoever as far as the comfort zone goes. It's going to be more uncomfortable than the OEM seat. That's it for this video though, guys. Adventure Zach is out. Peace.